G'day guys, got a real interesting one here. This detector's developed this intermittent fault, and I've gone over the whole thing, and you can touch the board, nothing sounds off. Wiggle it, jiggle it, whatever, but you give it a hard tap and the most sensitive part are on the two input Mosfets here. Seems to be around here somewhere. You just tap it. The fellow that owns it told me it's working absolutely perfectly, and then it goes crazy, and then it settles down, and it works for a while, and then it'll go completely crazy again. So it's one of these faults that you touch things and nothing happens. I've been around the other side of the board, but it's more sensitive here, far more sensitive. Look, it could even be internally in these FETs through metal migration, and just tapping it's causing something. I mean, that's a long shot, but I'm sort of coming down to that. The harder you tap it, the worse it is. Over here, no. It's just a weird one. So yeah, bit of a strip down. I have to get some of that coating off, and we'll see if we can track it down. Anyway, I'm not going to make a big long video about this. This can just be a quickie. Yeah, so yeah, it's a bit of a weird one, all right. So we'll see if we can fix him up. Very, very strange. Anyway, leave it there. Catch us.